In my video guide, I will give you instructions to get rid of Newtab.page. Newtab.page. This is a browser hijacker that may hijack your default homepage and the default search engine settings. This hijacker is installed through a special extension. Often the offer to install the extension is bundled with some free applications that you might decide to install. Sometimes people do not pay enough attention to all the details during installation of some free programs, so they may easily end up installing this Newtab.page extension, or it may be called a little bit in a different way. Furthermore, when you submit some search queries, you notice that the results are delivered by some unfamiliar search engine, and eventually the queries may be given and redirected by Bing. So, if you are not satisfied with all such changes of your default search engine, you need to go to the menu, click on More Tools, and now Extensions. At this point, carefully examine all your available extensions. If you find some suspicious ones, you may deactivate and remove them. Finally, I also believe that scanning your Mac with the reliable security software is very important. So I recommend you to do that with Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. You may get its latest version on this page, combocleaner.com. Once the software is downloaded, it will be initially in the trial mode. However, it has got some free features such as disk cleaner, big files and duplicates. So click on Start Combo Scan button, and after that the free research and analysis of your Mac will begin. And at the lapse of some time, you will see the detailed report about your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The program has performed the free research of Mac computer, and at the end of scan, some threats were found. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. This is the detailed report about the location of each specific threat in your Mac. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you its exact location in Finder. After that, you may remove each specific threat manually, so one threat at a time. And this is the free way to remove threats manually from your Mac computer. Of course, you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threats automatically.